Hello students. Today I am bringing with you the solution of DK Goel book class 11 accounts. So today our topic is journal entry chapter number 9. So let's start with question number 1. So our first question says Manohar Lal and Sons started business with cash. So for this transaction our journal entry will be, so first we will write here year 2019. Date is March 1st. Manohar Lal and Son started business with cash. So whenever we start our business, we debit cash account and credit capital account. So our entry will be cash account debit to capital account. In your exams, you need to write the narration after every entries you make. And the amount is 60,000 rupees. Our second question is purchase furniture for cash. So first let's write the date March 2. So here our journal entry will be furniture account debit to cash account for rupees 10,000. Our third question says purchase goods for cash. So whenever we purchase goods, we always debit purchase account. So our entry will be our next question is bought goods from Kamlesh. Here it is not written that we have done cash transaction. So here our entry will be purchase account debit to Kamlesh account. To go to Kamlesh account. Our amount is 15,000. Our next question is paid cash to Kamlesh. So here our entry will be Kamlesh account debit. Kamlesh account debit to cash account. Amount is 15,000. Our next question is purchase goods from Sohan. So here our entry will be purchases account debit to Sohan account. Value is 6,000 rupees. Our next question says purchase goods from Sohan for cash. Here we have done cash transaction, so our entry will be purchase account debit to cash account. For rupees 8,000. Our next question says paid rent for the office. So whenever we occur any expenses, we always debit our expense, and it is always for the cash transaction. So our entry will be rent account debit to cash account. For rupees 1000. So our question number 1 is completed. At the last, you need to balance both the debit amount and credit amount, and it should always tally. Both the amount, that is debit and credit, should always tally. So our answer will be 1,40,000 in debit column and 1,40,000 in credit column. Hence our journal entry is complete. So let's move to question number 2. January 6, sold goods for cash. Here our entry will be cash account debit to sales account. First we will write here date January 6 and cash for rupees 36,000. Our second entry is sold goods to Hari. It is not cash transaction, so here we will write Hari account debit to sales account. January 8 for 30,000. Next, January 14 received cash from Hari. Here our entry will be cash account debit to Hari account. Our amount is 18,000. Next, received commission. So whenever we receive something, some income, our entry is like cash account debit to commission account. For rupees 750. Next, paid salary to Gopal. Whenever we pay any expense, it's always in cash. Our entry will be salary account debit to cash account. For rupees 1200. Next, received cash from Hari. Our entry will be cash account debit to Hari account. Rupees 12,000. January 29, withdraw cash from office for personal use. Whenever we will withdraw any amount from the office for our personal use, it is always treated as drawing, and we always debit drawing account. Our entry will be drawing account debit to cash account. Rupees 4,000. Next, wages paid. January 30. wages account debit to cash account 7,200. January 30 bought machinery for cash. So here we will debit machinery account and credit cash account. January 30 rupees 8,000, and then at last we'll balance both debit and credit amounts. Next, moving on to question number 3. Let's start. Our first question says purchase goods from Anil for cash. Our entry will be purchase account debit to cash account for rupees 40,000. Next, purchase goods from Atul. So, purchase account debit to Atul account for 75,000. Next, return goods to Atul. So, whenever we return any goods which we have purchased earlier, we always credit one account which is known as purchase return account. Our entry will be Atul account debit to purchase return rupees 3,000. Next, paid cash to Atul October 8. Atul account debit to cash account rupees 50,000. Next, sold gold to Charu. Our entry will be Charu account debit to sales account rupees 1 lakh. Next, Charu return 20% of goods. Whenever we sell good to someone and they returned it, so we debit one account which is known as sales return account. Our entry will be sales return account debit to Charu account. It says that Charu returned 20% of the goods. So we will calculate 20% of 1 lakh. It will come 20,000 rupees. On October 15, we paid rent. As I said earlier, we always pay expenses on cash. So our entry will be rent account debit to cash account rupees 2,000. Next, on October 20, it says Sahil withdraw for personal use. Whenever we withdraw any cash for our personal use, we treat it as drawing and we always debit drawing account. Our entry will be drawing account debit to cash account rupees 10,000, and at the last will balance both debit and credit account. It will come rupees 3 lakh. So here our question number 3 is completed. Thank you for watching. I hope you all like this video.